Hi, this is Matt Mojzak with another episode of Montell Makeover in Minutes. Today we're taking a look at a project in Caledonia, a fairly unique project for us. This is actually a new front porch and a new front walkway along with a new set of French doors. Previously the customer had a essentially wood walkway and wood front porch that was rotted and falling apart and honestly wasn't safe to walk on. We came in with the new Trex Transcend tropical line. This is a really nice look, as well as a new set of French doors. Follow me and we can take a look at the project a little more in depth. So one of the biggest things that the customer was concerned about was essentially the size or the layout of this walkway. We basically matched the exact pattern that it was previous, just with the low maintenance of the Trex Transcend. This is a really nice color that appears like real wood, but obviously you don't have the staining, you don't have the maintenance, you don't have any discoloration as far as with wood. Turned out really nice. Again, hidden fasteners all the way across, so you won't see any screws or nail heads. I think this is one that turned out really nice. Follow me and we can take a look at the doors we did. So up here we had the raised front porch, which you'll notice span the front porch width. The biggest thing too that the customers were worried about is the doors. So before they actually had wood doors that were rotted, that were leaking, that weren't very energy efficient. We came in with the Therma-Tru fiberglass doors. So these are a French door. Therma-Tru offers a lot of different options as far as panel and design. They went with a 4-panel design, which I think turned out really nice. This is one that I would say is a very nice transformation for very nice customers. This has been another episode of Montell Makeover in Minutes with Matt Mojzak. Catch you again next week.